Good morning, class. In every problem, there is a solution. But in science, a solution is enjoyable and fun to make. So, come on, let's study solution and their characteristics.
Our lesson for today is solutions and their characteristics. What is a solution? A solution is formed when one substance dissolves in another substance. It breaks down into molecules, and these molecules mix with other molecules of another substances. A solution contains solute and a solvent. Examples of solute are salt, sugar, dried nail polish, and paint. Examples of solvent are vinegar, water, acetone, and thinner. The solution particles cannot be seen by our naked eye. It does not allow beams of light to scatter. And the solute from a solution cannot be separated by filtration or mechanically. Words to remember. Number 1, solute and solvent. The solute is the substance that gets dissolved, while the solvent does the dissolving. Number 2, soluble and insoluble. A soluble substance is one that dissolves in a liquid, usually water, while an insoluble substance is a substance that will not dissolve in a solvent even after mixing it. Example, sand and water and rice and water. Number 3, miscible and immiscible. Miscible substances are liquids that will dissolve in each other. Example, alcohol is miscible in water, oil, and gasoline. Immiscible substances are liquids that will not dissolve in each other. Example, oil and water, gasoline and water. Number 4, concentrated solution. A concentrated solution is one that has a relatively large amount of dissolved solute. Number 5, dilute. A dilute solution is one that has a relatively small amount of dissolved solute. Types of solutions. Number 1, gaseous solutions. If the solvent is a gas, only gases are dissolved under a given set of conditions. Air is an example of gaseous solution, and its solvent is nitrogen gas. Number 2, liquid solutions. A liquid solution is a homogeneous mixture, hence more than one compound existing in only one phase, where there is solutes or solutes dissolved on a liquid solvent. For example, ethanol on water. Vinegar is a solution that forms from acetic acid and water. Number 3, solid solution. A solid solution is a solid-state solution of one or more solutes in a solvent. Such a multi-component system is considered a solution rather than a compound when the crystal structure of the solvent remains unchanged by addition of the solutes and when the chemical components remain in a single homogeneous phase. Still is a solid solution. Its solvent is iron and the solute is carbon. Here are types of solutions and examples with their solute and solvent. Number 1. Liquid dissolved in liquid. Example, vinegar. The solute is acetic and the solvent is water. Wine. The solute is alcohol and the solvent is water. Number 2. Gas dissolved in liquid. Example, soft drinks. The solute is carbon dioxide and the solvent is water. Number 3. Solid dissolved in liquid. Example, dental amalgam. The solute is silver, which is solid, and the solvent is mercury, which is liquid. Remember, class, water is the universal solvent because it dissolves more substances than any other liquid. It's evaluation time. Class, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What type of mixture is a solution? A. Heterogeneous. B. Homogeneous. C. Immiscible. D. Miscible. Number 2. What is the substance that is being dissolved in a solution? A. Solute. B. Mixture. C. Solvent. D. Concentrator. Number 3. What is the substance that dissolves the other substance in a solution? A. Solute. B. Mixture. C. Solvent. D. Concentrator. Number 4. In a saltwater solution, what substance is considered the solvent? A. Salt. B. Water. C. Both are solvents. D. Neither substance is a solvent. Number 5. Which of the following will dissolve in water? A. Oil. B. Salt. C. Gasoline. D. Sand. And here are your references.
Thank you very much for listening, class. I hope you understood the lesson very well. See you again next time.